I studied translating and interpreting at the University of Ottawa. I'm fluent in German, and I also speak Spanish and French. Before I was a realtor, I owned my own mobile dog grooming business for 23 years. I'd have to say relocations and negotiation. I meet weekly with a mastermind group of 12 of the top negotiators in the country. We continue to learn and share each week. This has been invaluable for me as well as for the results I get from my clients. Definitely the lifestyle. We're surrounded by so much natural beauty. The mountains, the lake, the wineries, beautiful weather. There are endless opportunities for people to explore different adventures. My favorites are hiking, biking, lake time, and the amazing wineries.